Hey, what is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Meli. If you're new here, I'd love to have you stick around and subscribe. I also have my social media down below if you guys are interested in following me over there. And let's go ahead and jump into the Ipsy December bag for this year. And this is not PR, so I do pay for this myself, so I am subscribed to them separately. And we are going to jump in. This is the red bag. It's nice and fluffy if you guys saw my PR unboxing, and I will let you guys know which ones were my choice and etc. So first thing that I see in here is the Laura Geller Spackle Mist. This is a coconut water. This was actually one of my choices. Let me see if I can just open this up so at least I can spray it a little bit. Ooh. That is actually like a really nice mist for a spray like that. It's very, very fine, and it has a really strong smell of coconut, which I actually love coconut, so it just depends on your preference. But I will definitely be testing this out. Next thing in here is the Lovecraft Beauty Blush Palette, and oh, these are pretty. Look at that. I'm like, look at that, and I'm the one seeing it on the other side. Okay, so these are the shades in there. I actually have a bronzer palette from them. I don't think I have any blushes from them. No, I don't. So I will definitely be testing these out, but I do love their formulation. I love the bronzer formulation that I've tested out from them. Okay, this is like really stuck on there. Okay. So let's go ahead and swatch them. They look very nice and just like very muted natural colors. And I love that because those are kind of like the shades that I like for everyday wear. I actually have like a peachy one on right now. I had to do my makeup beforehand just so that I had enough time because I am going to work after recording this. But I'm gonna go ahead and just try a little bit of this one. But these shades look so pretty. Oh, shades pigmented. I probably should have gone in lighter. Now I'm gonna look like a clown a little bit. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, yes. I'm so happy that I got this. And like I said, I do have their bronzer, and I really enjoy this brand, the Lovecraft Beauty. And I wouldn't have never discovered it, or I would have never discovered it if it hadn't been for Ipsy. So next thing in here is the Complex Culture, and this is their Set Go Translucent Powder. And I actually really enjoy their brushes. They have been coming quite a bit in the, what's it called? in the Ipsy bags lately. It seems like this brand is like an upcoming brand. Let me see if I can pop this sucker out of here. And this was another one of my choices. So I picked the Spackle Mist and I chose this powder. The powder packaging looks really nice, really high end. And oh, I love this. I love when it has the mesh and not as much the sifter. So it's just a nice little translucent powder. Oh, that is really silky. That is so silky to the touch. I'm just going to set my face a little bit with this just to kind of have. Wow, that feels so nice on the skin. So I will definitely be playing around with these and probably update you guys on my Instagram if you guys want, or if you ever want like a full review on something, let me know. I don't mind actually doing like quick little reviews. I've actually wanted to start incorporating like 3 to 5 minute reviews on products. So let me know if anything interests you. I will definitely do a review. Next thing in here is the Fireside Eyeshadow Palette by EB Beauty. These seem like very dark shades. Let's see what the palette looks like. This I did not pick. This was actually like chosen for me, and it's an Ipsy exclusive. I think I'm gonna put this in a giveaway because I know it's not a palette that I'm gonna use. I'm actually going to be reorganizing and revamping my room a little bit. So I'm not gonna touch this. I'm just gonna put this in a giveaway. I'm getting together like a box of goodies. What I'm gonna try to do is like gather a box of goodies each month and then do like a giveaway of like extra PR stuff or things like that for you. I'll probably just announce it randomly in one of these videos and then put it on my Instagram as well. And then let me see. And then the last thing in here is the Skin Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. And I think that this was the last thing that I chose. And this is Golden Dew. So excited. Oh, that's so pretty. I love Dominique Cosmetics. Oh, and the mirror says choose to shine down there, which is so cute. And I'm just gonna swatch it. Oh, that kind of scares me because it's kind of like a balm. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of a synthetic brush and see if we can apply this on right now. Just a tiny little bit. Hopefully it doesn't pick up what I already have down. Do you guys see a difference? I don't know if that's like too subtle or because I already have a highlighter on. Yeah, I don't think you can really see like a difference. I'll definitely play around with this by itself. Let me know if you guys want a full review on it. I would be okay with doing like a full review on it. But it seems like super subtle right now by itself. I mean, over on top of something else, you know, like sometimes if something really pops and you put it on top of another highlighter, it just makes it look crazy. But it seems very subtle. So we shall see in the long run if I like this or not. It says all over skin enhancer. So let me see if I put some down my nose, like if you guys can tell. Could you tell? I don't know. I feel like I can't really tell. Okay, yeah, I'm starting to see. Can you tell my forehead? I don't know. It just seems extremely subtle, like way too subtle. And I am somebody who likes my highlighter to like really be out there and pop. So maybe this would be good like underneath a highlight. You put it down and then because it's wet, if you put like a highlighter on top, maybe it will make it extra pop. I'll definitely have to play around with this and see, you know, what uses I can find or if I'm going to keep it. And that is it for my little bag. I have to say, overall, I'm excited about the whole thing. The only thing that didn't really call my name was the palette itself. I don't know, it just kind of seems more of the same stuff that I already have. So like I said, I know I'm not going to use this, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in a giveaway for you guys. But everything else I was super excited to try, like the powder, the blushes, the spray, the highlights. So overall, I feel like this is a great month for my little Ipsy bag that I'm subscribed to. And yeah, let me know what you guys picked for your choices. I'd love to hear from you down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and you can follow me on my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.